Thanks for joining us today. Let's dive right in. Safety and productivity are major concerns in industries like construction, mining, and oil. What's the biggest challenge companies face in keeping their workers safe on site?
Well, that's a great question. The truth is, keeping teams safe while staying productivity feels like an impossible balancing act. Picture a massive construction site. Workers are scattered everywhere, the machines are loud, the conditions are constantly changing, and you've got hammers that protect but don't prevent accidents. Machines send alerts, but workers may not hear them in time. These gaps between safety, communication, and real time awareness cost lives, time, and money.
But let's be honest, it's still a
Mhm.
huge challenge. What inspired you and your team to create something like this?
Well, we worked closely with safety teams across industries, and the same issue kept coming up. Safety tools haven't evolved much in years. Helmets, for example, are great at protecting workers, but they do not prevent accidents. And when emergencies happen, there's always a delay finding the right workers, sending alerts, coordinating action. That's why we partner with VCT Insight to create this product. Together, we designed the SMART Smart Helmet Attachment, a device that turns any standard helmet into a powerful safety tool. It doesn't just protect the workers, it connects them to a bigger safety system, helping prevent accidents and respond faster when emergencies strike.
Smart helmets sound amazing, but how does this attachment actually work?
Imagine this. You imagine a massive construction site. One of your workers is deep in a remote area, out of sight, and suddenly they collapse from heat exhaustion. With a regular hammer, no one would know it. But with our smart attachment, here is what happened. First, it's constantly monitoring the worker's vital signs, heart rate, body temperature, blood oxygen. At the moment it detects something abnormal, it sends an SOS signal using LoRaWAN connectivity. The helmet transmits alert over long distances, even in areas without Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Supervisors get the signal instantly and can send help right away. And it doesn't stop there thanks to the built-in GPS. You can pinpoint the worker's exact location, whether they are in a remote oil field, deep in a mine, or at the edge of construction site. No delays, no guesswork. You can act immediately.
That sounds like a lifesaver. But what about indoor environments, like factories or
Mhm.
warehouses? Can it still track workers there?
Absolutely. Indoors, the helmet connects to Bluetooth beacons placed throughout the site, and these beacons create a network that tracks workers' movements in real time. And the data is sent to supervisors through Bluetooth gateways, so even in complex indoor spaces, you will always know where your team is. When workers step outside, the system seamlessly switches to GPS and continues transmitting through LoRaWAN. Whether it's a sprawling warehouse or a remote outdoor site, this attachment has you covered.
Okay, here's a question. Can it integrate with other sensors or systems already in place?
It's possible. While the helmet doesn't connect to other sensors directly out of the box, it's designed to be flexible. We can customize protocols to match your existing system. For example, if you have vibration sensors on your machines, we can create a workflow where the sensor sends an alert to the server and the server sends a comment back to the helmet. The worker would hear specific instructions through the helmet's built-in speaker. And this kind of customization requires collaboration, but it's a powerful way to integrate the helmet into a larger safety ecosystem.
Wow. So let's talk more about the helmet itself. What else can it do?
Mhm. Let me paint you a picture. The attachment itself is sleek and lightweight, designed to fit any standard helmet without affecting comfort or balance. It's solar powered, so you don't need to worry about charging daily. It runs on sunlight. And the built-in speaker is another game changer. Imagine you need to evacuate a site quickly, and the helmet can play pre-recorded messages or real-time instructions. no one misses critical information, even in loud environments.
This sounds high-tech, but construction sites can be rough. Can
Mhm.
it handle those conditions?
Absolutely. We designed with durability in mind. It's dust-proof, waterproof, and heat-resistant, up to 80 degrees Celsius. Whether you are working in heat, rain, or surrounded by dust, this hammer keeps working.
So it seems like there's a lot of flexibility with this helmet attachment. Are there different models or versions to suit different needs?
Absolutely. We understand that every industry has unique requirements, so we've covered three options: Inside Pure, Inside Core, and Inside Pro. Each version is tailored to meet specific safety and operational needs while keeping affordability in mind.
That's great. Can you walk us through what makes each option different? And maybe share an example of when you
Mhm.
use each one?
Sure, let's start with Inside Pure. This is the most cost-effective option. It's perfect for industries that need LoRaWAN-based communication, indoor location tracking, and essentials like mass notifications through the built-in speaker, emergency SOS, and solar-powered batteries. It's dust-proof and waterproof, making it ideal for indoor environments like factories or controlled construction zones. And next, we have Inside Core. This model builds on Pure by adding outdoor GPS tracking, which is critical for large open work sites like mining or oil fields. If you need a balance of indoor and outdoor tracking without advanced health monitoring, Core is your go-to option. Finally, there's our premium model, Inside Pro. It offers a full package, including health monitoring for heart rate, temperature, and blood oxygen. This is perfect for industries where worker health is a priority, like remote mining operations or construction sites in extreme weather conditions.
That's an impressive range of options. How would a customer decide which one is right for their team?
It really depends on your work environment and priorities. If you are primarily indoors and need basic safety features, Inside Pure is a great choice. But if your team is spread across vast outdoor areas and you need GPS tracking, Inside Core offers that extra layer of functionality. For businesses that want to go all in on worker safety and health, Inside Pro is the ultimate solution. It's especially valuable for high-risk environments where monitoring vital signs can make the difference between prevention and crisis.
We've discussed the various features of your smart helmet attachment. Could you elaborate on how LoRa technology enhances its functionality?
Certainly, LoRaWAN, which stands for Long Range Wide Area Network, is a rapidly growing standard in the Internet of Things landscape. It's designed to facilitate long-range communication with low power consumption, making it ideal for smart wearables devices like our helmet attachment. By integrating LoRaWAN, our helmet can transmit data over extended distances without relying on traditional cellular networks. This is particularly beneficial in remote or expensive work environments where conventional connectivity might be limited. For instance, in large construction sites or mining operations, the helmet can send real-time location data and receive critical alerts, ensuring continuous communication and enhancing work safety. Moreover, LoRaWAN's low power requirements means that our helmet's battery life is optimized, allowing for prolonged use without frequent recharging. This efficiency is crucial in maintaining uninterrupted safety monitoring throughout the workday. The adoption of LoRaWAN in our smart helmet aligns with the broader industry trends of leveraging this technology for IoT applications. According to LoRaWAN Alliance, LoRaWAN has achieved significant growth and maturity, becoming a global leader in low-power wide area networking. Integrating LoRaWAN into our hardware attachment provides reliable, long-range, and energy-efficient communication, which is essential for enhancing safety and operational efficiency in various industrial settings.
We've talked a lot about the smart helmet attachments features, but I hear there's some incredible tech behind how it connects and receives alerts. Can you share a little about how it works without getting too technical?
Absolutely. One of the most exciting parts of our helmet's functionality is how it communicates with LoRaWAN gateway. Think of it as a bridge between the central system and the helmet. Here's how it works. The LoRaWAN gateway sends out alerts like evacuation orders or boundary breaches, and the helmet receives these alerts in real time. It's all done through a structured command system, which includes details like type of alert, how long it should last, and how the helmet should respond. For example, the helmet might vibrate or buzz, depending on the urgency of the situation.
That sounds powerful. Can you give an example of how this works in a real-world scenario?
Sure. Imagine there is a hazardous gas leak in a remote area of a site, and the central system detects the danger and sends an evacuation alert to the LoRaWAN gateway. And the gateway transmits that alert to every helmet in range, or even to specific helmets if needed. As soon as the helmet gets the message, it alerts the worker through a vibrational sound. At the same time, supervisors know exactly who receives the alert and can track their location. It's instant, precise, and can save lives in critical situations.
So it's not just about getting alerts, it's about responding quickly and efficiently, right?
Exactly. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. Alert can be targeted to specific helmets, sent as broadcasts to everyone in range, or customized to respond in unique ways. For example, if the alert is about entering a restricted zone, the helmet might vibrate. It ensures workers get the information they need immediately and in the way that's most effective for the situation.
It sounds like there's some serious innovation packed into the system. But I know we're just scratching the surface here.
That's right. There's a lot more details about how the helmet processes these alerts, like recognizing duplicates or customizing alarm types, but we will save that for another video. What's important to know is that this system ensures real-time communication between the helmet, the LoRaWAN gateway, and the central system. It's a backbone of how we are making safety smarter and more proactive.
You've mentioned how this helmet integrates cutting-edge technology to track and protect workers. But how does it actually work behind the scenes? Can you walk us through it?
Okay, of course. One of the most exciting aspects of this helmet is how it uses Bluetooth scanning and LoRaWAN transmission to provide real-time positioning, both indoors and outdoors. Here's how it works. Every 2 seconds, the helmet scans for nearby Bluetooth beacons. It identifies these beacons, sorts them by signal strength, and picks the closest one to determine the worker's exact location. This data is then sent to the Bluetooth or LoRaWAN gateway, which communicates with the central system. And for outdoor environments, the helmet switches seamlessly to GPS tracking using LoRaWAN. It transmits precise location data across long distances, even in remote areas without Wi-Fi or cellular coverage. It's all about making sure supervisors know exactly where their team is at all times, whether they're indoors or out.
And for outdoor environments, it uses GPS with LoRa. What makes that combination so effective?
Exactly. GPS gives us precise location tracking outdoors, but what really makes it powerful is LoRaWAN connectivity. Unlike Wi-Fi or cellular, LoRaWAN can transmit data over much longer distances while using very little power. This is critical for remote areas like mines or oil fields where traditional network might fail. For example, if a worker is deep in a remote site, their helmet's GPS data is sent through LoRaWAN to the gateway, and supervisors can see their exact location in real time. It's reliable, robust, and ensures no one is ever out of reach.
Okay, I have to ask, can you give us an
Mhm.
example of all this tech working together on a site?
Absolutely. Picture this. A worker in a large facility gets too close to a restricted area, and the helmet detects nearby beacons and transmits their position to the central system. Supervisors see the location in real time and send a warning through the LoRaWAN gateway. The helmet vibrates, alerting the worker to stop immediately. At the same time, the system logs the incident, and supervisors can intervene if needed. This kind of instant proactive safety is what makes the system so powerful.
You've shared some impressive features about the current helmet attachment, but what's next? Are there any
Mhm.
exciting plans or customization options in the pipeline?
Absolutely. Well, the current version of our helmet already provides robust safety and connectivity features. We are always thinking ahead to meet evolving industry needs. For instance, hydration sensing is one of the features we are actively working on. It's not included in the current version, but is in our development pipeline and can be customized based on specific customers' requirements. Imagine being able to monitor dehydration levels in real time to prevent heat stresses in workers. It's a game changer for industries operating in extreme environments. But we are not stopping there. We are also in the process of developing a comprehensive platform that caters to a wide range of customer needs. Whether you are looking for advanced smart hammer like the ones we offer, or the complete turnkey solution that integrates seamlessly with your existing system, we've got you covered.
So, why now? Why is something like this so important for industries today?
Because safety is no longer just about reacting to accidents, it's about preventing them. Traditional hammers, they are passive. They sit on your head and hope for the best. But this smart hammer attachment is proactive. It connects people, machines, and data to create a seamless safety system. It helps you to identify risks before they become a real problem. And it gives you the tools to act faster when something does go wrong. With the iSmart Smart Hammer attachment, you are not just protecting your workers, you are empowering them to work smarter and safer.
This sounds like a game changer.
Mhm.
If someone watching this wants to bring these helmets to their team, what's the next step?
Just click the link below to schedule a demo or chat with us directly. Whether you are in construction, mining, oil, manufacturing, we will help you to customize a solution to fit your needs. Don't wait until the next accident. Let's make safety smarter together.